Morning, dear children. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, I hope you all are well and fine at your places and doing your homework on regular basis. Yes, I hope you enjoying the classes. Yes, good. Okay, so in today's class, my dear students, we will do counting from 501 to 1000. Don't worry, we are not doing the complete counting from 501 to 1000. We are doing only missing lines today. Okay. Today we will do only missing lines of counting from 501 to 1000. Okay. So be ready with your notebooks, pencils. First of all, we will write the date and day on notebooks, and after then we will start today's class. Open your notebooks. Date of today is 10th of August 2021. So you have to write 10 8 2021. Today is 10 August 2021 and day is Tuesday. 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 Hope you all are doing. Yes. Now write the topic counting 501 to 1000. We will write counting. Topic is counting. 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 Now you have to write HTO. HTO means ones, tens and hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Write these three letters in one box. After then skip the one box and another. In third box again you have to write HTO. 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 Done. I hope you all are following the all instructions. Okay. Here below the HTO write 511. 511. 511. Again, here we will write 561. 561. 561. The next line is 601. 601. 601. Done. The next line is 691. 691. Now let's start doing counting. The first line is starting from 511. कहाँ से start हो रही है first line? 511. What is the next number of it? 511. 511. The next number is 512. 512. 512. 513. 513. 513. 514. 514. 515. 515. 516. 516. Yes, you all are very intelligent. You are doing very fast. Very good. 516. Next number is 517. 517. 18. 519. Okay, now you tell me what comes after 519. 519. What comes the next? What comes after 19? Yes, 20. Good. So 519 and the next number is 520. 520. 520. Done? Okay, the next line is 561. 561. 562. 562. 562. 563. 563. 564. 564. Note down in your notebooks and speak also. 564. 565. 566. 567. 568. 569. Now, who will tell me the correct number? The next number after 569? Yes, the correct number. What comes after 569? Yes, 570. Very good. 70. 570. 570. Next line is 601. What is this number? 601. 601. 602. 602. 603. 603. 604. 604. 605. 605. 606. 606. 607. 608. 609. And the last number of this line is 609. 609. What comes in the last? 610. 610. 610. The next line is 691. 691. 692. 693. 694. 695. 696. 696. 697. 698. 699. Yes, what comes after 699? Tell me quickly. What comes after 699? 9 के बाद लास्ट में क्या आएगा? 0. Everywhere you can see after 9 here is 0. Yes? So we will write 0 here. Here you can see we are writing the next number of this middle number. 1, 2, 6, 7, 0, 1. Here again we have 9. 9 And what comes here below the 9? 0 again. Yes. Here you can see 5, 5, 6, 6. Here we will write the next number of 6 because here we have both zeros, both 9 we have. Then we will write the next number of 6. 7, 699, and the next number is 700, 700. Done and understand? Okay. Now open the next page of your notebook. We will do 4 lines more. On next page of your notebook, you have to write HTO again 4 times. Next is 731. 731. 851. 921 and 991. These 4 lines we have to do now. Can I start now? Are you ready? Okay. The next line, first line is 731. So what comes next? 7, 3, 2. 732. 733. 734. 735. 736. 737. 738. 739. And the last number of this line, how we will write the last number? Tell me what comes after 9? 9 के below always we have to write 0 below the 9. 9 के नीचे हमेशा क्या आता है लास्ट में? 0. What comes after 3? 4. Yes. So 39 and 40. Here we will write the same number 740. 739 and 740. The next line is 851. 851. 852. 853. 854. Speak the counting and write down in your notebooks. 854. 855. 856. 857. 858. 859. What comes in the last? What is the last number of this line? 859, and after then 860. Good. 860. 60. The next line is 921. 921. 922. 923. 924. 925. 926. 927. 928. 929. And the last number of this line is 930. 930. 930. The next and last line is 991. 991. The next number is 992. 993. 994. 995. 996. 997. 998. 999. Now see, here we have 999. What will be the last number here? We have to write 0 below 9 always. So 9, 9 and 9. So 0, 0 and 0. What comes here? Yes. What comes after 9? 10. So after 9 here is 0. Here is 0. And after 9 here will come 10. So this is 1000. 1000. This is 1000. I hope you all have done this work in your notebooks. Now click the pictures of your homework and send these pictures to ma'am. We will meet in our next class now. Bye bye. Take care.